else have I got? I've got the usual things. Got my iTunes there, my account, my address book, Skype, which you've got on Windows as well. Same thing. Um, what I'm going to bring up that I don't have here is my iMovie. Now, iMovie is what I use at the moment to do all of my YouTube videos in terms of putting the whole thing together and doing the whole video. So this is what iMovie looks like. Now remember, iMovie comes with the Mac when you buy it. Okay, now that is fantastic. I mean, when you're buying a Windows PC, you have to buy the Windows machine, then you've got to go out and buy some word processing. If you want to do that, you've got to go and buy Microsoft Office or something like that. Then you've got to go and buy some form of video editing program. So the price kind of bumps up. So people are always complaining about, oh, Macs are too expensive, but you've got to think of the value and the quality of the stuff that you get with it. Now, to me, this is a fantastic editing program. Now, I wasn't really a great fan of iMovie a few years back when it was in a different format, and they've really fixed it since, like, I think iMovie 08. This is iMovie 09, this version, and it's a fantastic little program. I tend to use, I've got Final Cut Studio, which is the sort of like bigger brother, the bigger version to all of this, because I used to do a lot of video editing for various other companies. I won't go into that now, that's another YouTube channel, look for that somewhere else. But anyway, iMovie, great program for editing your videos in. As you can see, I've got one of the last, here's my opt-in for Facebook video in here. Great little audio that you can drop in. Just play that little sequence there for you. Hi guys. Now, you can't do that on Windows out of the box. That is fantastic. Anyway, that's iMovie. Check it out. You get that as part of when you buy a Mac. You have that installed on there. What else do I use? What else can I show you of interest in terms of internet marketing? Oh, one other program that it's a freebie. Let me just try and see if I've got it on here still. Yeah, Composer. And those of you probably heard of Composer. It's also available on Windows. It also goes by the name of NVU, or NView if you want to pronounce it that way. Composer, great little program. It's basically like, I look at it as a cut down version of Dreamweaver, if you like. And this is what it looks like out of the box. I'll show you something that I've done in this recently. What can I show you? Can I show you that? Let's see. Cool. Okay. This is Composer now. What I love about this WYSIWYG program, what you see is what you get. Basically, as you can see here, I've designed a sales page in Composer rather than using Dreamweaver, because I just thought this was so much easier to use. I'm not going to go into full tutorial again on this. Again, leave a comment on this video if you want me to do a tutorial in Composer showing you how I designed this sales page, because I think that looks fantastic, doesn't it? Look at that, that looks cool. So if you want to show me how, if you want me to show you how I did this, comment on the video, drop me a line, send me an email, rate the video, and leave some feedback, and I might do you a video on how I created this particular sales page on this product. As you can see, it's got everything on there. Fantastic. That's Composer. Not going to get into that now. As I said, this is also available on Windows, so if you do want me to do a video on this, it will also apply to you Windows users as well. You can watch this and learn something from it as well. Okay, so that's Composer. I will say that's probably it in terms of for internet marketing anyway. I mean, there's a whole load more of great tools that I use, but that's one of the really good ones that I like. What else can I show you? Oh, another little trinket that I don't think many people actually know about. Firefox, a plugin called LastPass. This plugin is fantastic and it saves me a hell of a lot of time. Basically what it does is allows you to store all those login details that you need for certain sites, passwords and stuff that you need for logging in. It just stores everything for you. So for example, I've got everything stored. I can go into certain sites, internet marketing, and I've got all of my internet marketing stuff. I can log into my Aweber account. I can log into my Mailchimp account. I can go into my YourNetBiz account. All of this just stores all of my stuff, so I never have to type another password. Once I go onto that and click on it, it logs me in directly, takes me straight in. I mean, I don't have to remember a whole stack of different passwords and usernames and all that kind of stuff to get onto to log into a site, and that's free. LastPass, I think it's lastpass.com. Go there, go and check it out. What I will do, if you want a full list of all of the applications that I use for my internet marketing, comment on this video and I will list the list there for you. I want to see some feedback. Leave some, rate the video, comment on it, and I'll leave you some information as to what I use on the Mac. So for those of you that are out there that are thinking, do I want to make the switch from Windows to a Mac? You know, Windows 7 is about to be launched in about probably the next week or so. Is my machine powerful enough to take Windows 7 and do the upgrade? Do I have to buy another machine? Are you thinking about buying a new computer? Consider a Mac, especially if you're an internet marketer. Fantastic tool. There are a lot of guys out there that I know that are now shooting videos on the Mac for their marketing, and you can see the difference from what they were doing before to what they're doing now. Big change. Great system. I totally recommend it for anyone that's looking to get a new system. Okay, that's the end of this video. As I said, if you want me to do more stuff like this or go through any particular program that you've seen me mention here today on this video, drop me an email, leave a comment on my YouTube channel, and I'll get something sorted out for you. Okay, so see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this. I'm out.